In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get 50% off of OpusClip Pro. This is the ultimate tool for content creators looking to streamline video editing and maximize social media engagement. Whether you're a YouTuber, social media influencer, or digital marketer, OpusClip Pro provides the features you need to create engaging, shareable videos quickly and easily. So if you're not familiar with OpusClip, it's a powerful video editing tool that enables creators to turn long-form content into high-quality, attention-grabbing clips for social media. It's ideal for users who want to repurpose their content, reach a wider audience, and boost engagement across platforms. With an intuitive interface and advanced editing tools, OpusClip Pro allows you to cut, edit, and enhance videos effortlessly, making it perfect for both beginners and professionals. Let's go over a few of OpusClip Pro features. Smart editing tools. OpusClip Pro's intelligent editing tools make it easy to highlight key moments and add captions, as well as incorporate trending effects with minimal effort. This allows you to create high-quality videos that resonate with your audience without spending hours on editing. Auto captioning. With this feature, you can automatically generate accurate captions for your videos, making them more accessible and engaging. Customize the captions to fit your brand style and capture your audience's attention on silent autoplay. Social media templates. OpusClip Pro provides a variety of social media optimized templates designed to boost engagement. These templates help you craft videos that fit each platform's unique style, which ensures that you're reaching maximum interaction. Auto cut and highlights. OpusClip Pro uses AI to detect key moments in your videos and auto-generate highlight clips. This is ideal for repurposing long-form content into bite-sized clips that grab attention and encourage viewers to watch more. Team collaboration. OpusClip Pro also supports team collaboration, making it really easy to share projects, gather feedback, and work together on content. This feature really streamlines workflows, especially for larger content teams. To get the discount, click the exclusive link in the description to get started. Let's go ahead and review what the pricing and plan looks like. So once you click that link in the description, it'll bring you to this page and we can go ahead and look at pricing. So right now, for limited time, you can save 50% off the Pro plan. The Pro plan includes 3,600 credits per year available instantly. You also get 2 users in a team workspace, as well as 2 brand templates, everything in the starter plan, plus AI B-roll, input from 10 plus sources, export to Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, social media scheduler, custom fonts, and so much more. Right now, you can get the Pro plan for $14.50 per month, but you have to act fast because this discount is not going to last long. I do want to note that saving 50% is only included with the annual plan. If you wanted to save monthly, that would be $29 a month. If you want to get the best deal possible, to make sure you're signed up for that yearly plan. These are affiliate links, which mean we earn a small commission if you do use the link in the description below at no extra cost to you. So thank you for your support in advance. I hope you found this video helpful to find the best deal possible on OpusClip Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please go ahead and drop them below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.